Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we're showing you how to change your background in Opera GX. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you can go ahead and open up the Opera GX browser and go ahead over to the bottom left, click on settings, or you could go ahead and go to the top right, click on this icon with easy setup, and then just click on the gear icon once more. Now in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and you will have the appearance section. And by the way, if you didn't notice, okay, when you go ahead and go to the top right, you should be able to see themes right here. Okay, also wallpapers. Okay, this is by far the easiest way to change your background. So let's go ahead over to Opera GX wallpapers right here. You can go ahead and click on custom and to add in your wallpaper. Just like so, go ahead and find the picture that you wanted to use. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select this computer right here. I'm going to click on open, wait for it to load, and once it loads, here we have our new background. Okay, you can also get more from Opera GX right here. Just click on this hyperlink, wait for it to load, and it will open up the GX store. Okay, just accept a selection. Go ahead and find whatever you want right here. For example, this one from Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. So just click on install mod. As you can see here, as fast as that, our background as well as the color palette has been changed. Okay, you can go ahead and test it out, open up a new tab, and here we have it. All right, and that's how easy it is to change the background in Opera GX. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.